Let us solve this equation. X cubed equals to 169x. Mind you, this equation is not quadratic, it's a cubic equation, meaning we're expecting 3 results. So x cubed minus 169x will be equals to 0. So you observe that x here can be factorized, so you factor out x. So you have x squared minus 169 equals to 0. So let's continue. So this will become x into x squared minus 169. You can break it as 13 squared equals to 0. So x into this one, you can write it as x plus 13 multiplied by x minus 13 equals to 0. Differences of 2 squared. So from here now you have x is equals to 0 or x plus 13 equals to 0 or x minus 13 equals to 0. Therefore, finally, the answer is either x equals to 0 or x equals minus 13 or x is equals to 13. This is the solution to this cubic equation. All right.